Hello everyone, this is my new workplace. This is a government school. This school name is Radhasyam Nodal Vidyapita. Let's see my lab. These are the laboratory accessories, and here is all physics models, and here is biology models, and you can see there are some chemicals here. Okay, this is our physical balance. Here you can see there is a microscope. This is a compound microscope. Here is a simple microscope, and that is telescope. This is a gravity tower. I will show you everything, and this is our model, human anatomy. This lab is meant for the school children, and they study here. This is the structure of DNA, model of DNA. This is a model of DNA. Okay. This is a fun experiment to show how gravity works. Okay. So here is my chemistry table. This is a 5T school, transformed recently. 5T means teamwork, technology, time, transparency, transformation. In this work, I have been so late to post a new video. Let's see a fun experiment, chemistry experiment here. Come here. This is potassium permanganate. I am showing you the reaction of potassium permanganate with glycerine. This is glycerine, and let's see how these two chemicals react. This is generally a very highly exothermic reaction. So while doing this experiment, one should be very careful. This is potassium permanganate. Okay. Now I am going to add some glycerine to this, and you will see how this reaction will happen. So when I add some glycerine to it, and here we go. So stay tuned, and I will post more interesting videos like this. From now I will post video regularly. Stay tuned for more interesting videos and share these videos with your friends. Thanks for watching.